Ola Mohammed. I'm one of the co-founders of Sudan Youth Parliament for Water. We are running the project of Sudan Youth, driven by passion and knowledge to alter water supply and sanitation situation in Sudan. We decided to work in this specific area as an initiative and recently a national organization to work more in access of sanitation and water supply because it had been an issue that have been there in Sudan for a long time due to lack of resources, lack of relevant data, because of also institution vulnerability, because of the political change that the country is going through recently and even in the past, and the lack of action, and relatively there is a low government investment in this area. We have running through the past 4 years a lot of efforts. We have conducted our first field visit to the northern state area. We visited 3 villages there studying the water quality. And we conducted these studies to understand more in depth the problem of the community. And this visit was run by 3 female engineering as the leaders of this our first field visit. We have also 8 successful Women Day celebration all around the country, which is celebrating the women in the water sector. And also we have implemented hygiene promotion activities for 1,500 children. 750 of them are females. And also we have reached 1,700 members of Sudan Youth Parliament of Water. 38% of them are females, and we are aiming for more female equality and gender equality in terms of numbers of members. But the existing number of females are holding the main roles. Female participating also in more than 90% of the total activities in terms of number of youth in rural areas. And also we have reached 500 women and 800 girls in educational programs in rural areas. These are some of our efforts that we are trying to create more gender balance and also more gender equality in terms of women participation and advocating for female young women in terms of participation of different activities or representing the females in different institutional sectors, events, for example, or trainings or educational programs. And we're aiming for more in the next few years. I think Sudan Youth Parliament for Water, as we represent the youth in the sector mainly as one group of people who are interested in water and sanitation and environment. Adapting focus group discussion has been one of our strengths, one of our tools, because we can collect all the different sectors of society and trying to create one platform that could discuss sensitive issues and in relation to water, in relation to water and gender, in relation to institutional capacities, and also facilitating this kind of platform and having the ability to be the facilitators, the reporters, which some people think that it's very small tasks, but sometimes the strength in these kind of tasks help us over the time to have create much of cohesion in the community in sense of ownership of the solution by hearing from all the sectors of societies and all the stakeholders of their and making them hold or own their own problems and making them the center of change. I think that we would not have been able to find the most suitable solution in terms of understanding the sanitation, the local sanitation and water supply problems in each region, and the underlying reasons and the reasons behind in terms of the culture, in terms of the history of each area, and propose possible or the main optimal solution for those problems without making the community the center of change. I think throughout our discussion, we have been able to kind of sense or kind of having kind of conscious from the community leaders mainly to understand more about the women and the children contribution to possible solution, and how sanitation and water issues are, how they are the most affected by the water and sanitation issues. So I think making them the center of change and mobilizing them would help us to understand a reason behind each problem and have a more optimal long-term sustainable solutions.